Buenos dias. Today we're hiking with Ruben in Barú National Park, looking for birdies and maybe monkeys, we hope. Wonder if that's another hummingbird. That's another hummingbird. What kind of tanager is that?
Passerini. Passerini is nut, and when they grow.
And this is a passion fruit flower, a maracuya. It smells wonderful. Maracuya vines. I'm learning all kinds of interesting things. Habitat of the quetzal. We should only be lucky enough. They're not easy to see. This part is the millenary forest, where, for instance, this big gigantic tree is anywhere from 600 to 800 years old. They survived the volcanic eruption of Barú. This tree is a mere 900-year-old Mexican white birch. They believe Barú erupted 600 to 800 years ago, and all they know is that the tree survived the eruption. Maybe 1,800 years old. Pretty amazing. 1,000-year-old plus trees here in the forest. That was the easiest out of the 3 water crossings. Right here we have some wild papyrus. Come gather some and make your own paper like the Egyptians did. I do have a video up on YouTube on how to make paper from papyrus. Some of the indigenous people work around Boquete. Please watch tomorrow's upload, and I will give you a hindsight is 2020 in Panama. I have a lot to say about it.